Without even thinking about it, you can make $1 all the way up to 25 US dollars with each click using a technique that I'll be teaching you today. All you need is an internet connection, your mobile phone or a laptop, and the willingness to learn, listen, and begin. It's 100% free and applicable no matter where in the world you're coming from. So if you're excited about this opportunity and the simple steps that you need to take to get this going for yourself, then stick around for the entire video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell below for quick access to different money-making strategies that we've curated to help you smash all of your financial goals. And with that said, let's go make some money. The platform that we're going to be using today is called moreniche.com, and it's an affiliate marketplace specifically for health and wellness products. It is known to offer high commissions with excellent conversion rates, as well as top-notch products. Affiliate commissions are paid out twice a month or every 1st and 15th of the month through the affiliate's payment method of choice. This makes it extremely convenient for everyone. Marketing support and one-to-one customer service is also provided, and this probably explains why Moreniche's trust rating is quite high. Now, as you may have already guessed, we're going to be taking advantage of this top-rated platform and affiliate marketplace to make us some money. To get started, I want you to first head on over to Brands, which is the button that you can find right over here on the Moreniche homepage. Now, all of these brands that you see here, there's Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Male Extra, Fen Gold, Testogen, Trimtone, Viasil, Zeta White, and Zotrim. They're all premium products that sell well. But for today's strategy, we're going to be focusing on one product in particular, and it's the very last one that I mentioned, called Zotrim. Zotrim is an herbal weight loss supplement / appetite suppressant that helps its users reduce hunger and improve energy. It's actually backed by clinical studies and has expert-approved papers. It's also outperformed prescription drugs in clinical trials. It's vegan, it's delivered to end users for free, and best of all, it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, which is pretty huge. Everything we've mentioned so far benefits the consumer, which is great. But now I want to tell you also all of the advantages that it will offer you as an affiliate. First of all, it offers an extremely sweet 40% commission for its affiliate. It also has an extremely high conversion rate of 22.7%. So let me break that down for you. This means that with an average order value of $150, you earn 60 US dollars per sale. And it also means that out of 100 people whom you promote the product to, 23 of them will purchase the product. So that's 23 people times $60. Guys, that's easily 1,400 bucks based on stats alone. Now, like I said earlier, this strategy will be 100% free to do, but you'll have to follow the next steps that I will show you in order to pull this off. Are you ready? Alright, let's get to it. The way that an affiliate earns is by getting people to purchase a certain product or service and earn commissions from it, correct? With fast and free shipping plus a 100% money-back guarantee for dissatisfied customers, this is honestly a pretty easy sell. Show family and friends who you know want to lose weight this product, and there's a high chance that they would want to try it out for themselves already. But using the way I will teach you, you can reach a bigger audience and make as much as possible as you can as an affiliate. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. To start, you'll need to sign up as a Moreniche affiliate by clicking on this orange button that says Join Moreniche to promote Zotrim. So let's fill this out together. When asked what type of partner you're signing up as, click on Affiliate, then proceed to filling out your name, your email address, your password, and after verifying your email address, that's it, you're good to go. Now with your Zotrim affiliate link on hand, I want you to head on over to this next platform that we will be using to promote your link in, and it's called FindaForum.net. This is actually a really popular resource that allows you to look up forums about certain topics or niche products, and this makes it perfect for what we're trying to achieve here. You'll see different categories up on top over here, and I want you to go ahead and click on diet and weight loss because that's exactly the kind of product that Zotrim is, which also means that this is where you'll find the most number of warm leads or people who would be interested in the product from the get-go. Under this category alone, there will be a ton of forums available, all from different parts of the world, and you will need to join discussions and introduce yourself to the community before you do any actual selling or promoting. So I need you to listen close to this part because it's essential that you get this right and follow the steps correctly in order for this to work. So first, you need to try to join as many forums as you can. You'll need to sign up to each one separately, but that's okay. It's a process and it's something that you only have to do once. So do take the time to do it now and make sure you choose the active forums where people are actually engaging in conversation. Don't worry, you will be able to tell. As long as it's not just one person constantly posting something to sell, but a bunch of people asking questions and sharing answers, that's where you want to be. And that's who you want to be as a forum member too. People generally avoid strangers who sell to them straight away. I know I do. So in order to get this system to work for you, you'll need to ease your way in, make your presence felt so that sharing your link and promoting your product will feel natural and people will be more receptive to it. To do this, you can start off by reading some of the questions on the forum and searching on Google for answers. Offer your advice on how to lose weight and offer encouragement. You can even post a question yourself. Now, once people get used to your presence and see you as a member of the community instead of as an outsider wanting to make a sale, then that's when you can share your link or post a helpful tip about how Zotrim has helped you or someone you know lose weight. As you continue to engage by replying to posts and posting yourself in the diet and weight loss category, you start to build your reputation as someone who shares content that people want and need. You're not a spammer. And trust me when I say that this will greatly increase your click-through rate and also make you more money in the process. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that this super simple strategy excites you just as much as it excites me. And if it does, then by all means, get started on it today. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, suggestions, comments. Please don't be shy. Go ahead and leave them right here because I do read everything that you leave me and I appreciate how engaged you all have been. And if you're not yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I would love to have you as part of our growing community here on YouTube. Alrighty then, that's it for today. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you again next time.